house is supposed to be where people feel safest. So why do some houses become famous because of the worst things that happens inside them?
Because after the police leave, the real estate market takes over.
Today, we're finding out something insane. Who actually buys a serial killer's house?
And who can find the most disturbing example?
Okay, Mr. Mingo, you go first.
Jeffrey Dahmer, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. One apartment made an entire building toxic. Neighbors left. No one would move in. The city bought the whole complex and tore it down. 15 months later, it was gone. Today, it's just the grass behind the fence.
They erased the building completely. That's a strong start.
Your turn.
John Wayne Gacy, outside Chicago, Illinois. They demolished the original house and the lot sat empty for years. Then, a brand new house went up on the exact same ground. They changed the address number though, but it still draws tourist attentions. Wonder why? And last sold for $395,000 after getting cut from $489,000. That's a huge cut.
They changed the number and people still find it.
Exactly.
Fred and Rose West, Gloucester, England. 25 Cromwell Street. They didn't just demolish it. They crushed the bricks, burned the timber, melted the fittings, and mixed the rubble with ordinary trash and burned it under concrete. No souvenirs. Today, it's a walkway. Locals still say the air feels wrong.
Wow. They tried to erase the address from existence.
And failed.
Yep. Next one. Dennis Rader, BTK, Park City, Kansas. His house went to auction this time, and people bid it up to $90,000, higher than the assessed value. Then the sale fell apart. The city bought it for about $60,000 and bulldozed it. They didn't want pieces ending up on eBay. Now it's an empty lot next to a park. So creepy park. People still drive by.
Even the empty lot gets visitors.
Your turn, Mr. Mingo. Make it worse.
Joseph D'Angelo, Golden State Killer, Citrus Heights, California. After the arrest, the house sold privately. No public listing. $320,000. Low end of the market. The buyers knew exactly who lived there. They still moved in.
Wait, someone lives there now? Like right now? Someone actually living there?
Yes.
Hold on. They paid money for that?
They got the keys and moved in. Next one, please.
Joe Rivkin, East Meadow, Long Island, New York. His family home listed for $424,500. Sat for almost a year. Multiple price cards, as always. And sold in 2011 for $322,000. The buyers knew the history and still bought it. They said they were happy with the deal. How could you be happy? Other people walked away the second they found out. Smart choice. Good for you. The same house just came back on the market. Started at $825,000, cut to $780,000. Now it's pending new buyers again.
Someone is about to open the door for the second time.
Apparently.
Chris Watts, Frederick, Colorado. The house sat empty for years. Foreclosure, liens, no bids at auction. Finally sold in 2022 for $600,000. A new family moved in. Less than 2 years later, they listed it again. Started at $775,000 and cut. Sold again for $650,000. Someone else is living there right now.
They keep selling.
That's the pattern. Some get erased, some get rebuilt. The ones that stay just change hands. Usually for less money, to people who already know the story.
I don't care what anyone says. I could never sleep there.
Why? The house didn't commit the crime.
Tell that to someone opening the basement door.
Fair.
Imagine the house too.
Don't.
Welcome. Kitchen on your left. Horrifying story included.
Please stop talking.
You are telling me someone signed a mortgage for that fucking house?
Every single time.
You know I get it, because the police leave, the cameras leave, and the headlines disappear.
But the house stays.
And eventually,
Someone still gets the keys.
This is Gloucester.